If you're an industrial or manufacturing company that's looking for a marketing partner that actually understands your business, then you found your match. For over 6 years, MFG Tribe has been working with companies just like yours to dominate in their industry by executing tactics that actually work today. No longer do you have to spend hours explaining what it is that your services or products do to people that just don't understand and don't know the first thing about how to sell or market to your industry. With over 40 years of industrial experience, our clients get the peace of mind that we not only understand their business, but how to reach their target customers. Our strategic approach of industrial marketing combines the tactics of website, SEO, content marketing with articles and videos, a strategic social approach on LinkedIn, and utilizing hyper-focused PPC and advertising campaigns. We create over 400 videos and over 350 articles each year for some of the top industrial brands and manufacturing services companies. Don't wait for customers to find you. Partner with MFG Tribe and begin dominating your industry today.